Hello, Namaste. My name is You are watching my daily quarantine routine. Early morning, wake up at 7:32 p.m. Walk straight to the toilet. Yes, I always feel good after passing number 2 and love the smell of my poop. Then I thoroughly brushing my teeth. My dirty teeth becomes very white. Then I drag myself to sitting room, lay on the couch, check internet, 21 days lockdown over or not, and sometimes I like to just go near my gate and scream out loud. After that, I have my breakfast, just rice and miso changban. And then I like to drink lots of water during the day because water good. Now my daily routine always include dancing, K-pop, BTS. After I finish my dancing, I always like to go to the fridge and drink water again because I tell you, water good, look good, drink good. Drink water, look good. Now I see it is already 4 p.m. I work out bicep and chest because bicep and chest very important. Bicep and chest good, you get many ladies.
You have one shot on stage, what you got to play? Generic drops for days, still the people rage. Am I not insane? Can you stop and explain why these drops are so lame? Is money buying you fame? I'm fucking on, I'm killing it with this song. You haters can sing along or go back where you belong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it.
And at the end, I always squat 3 times. 5 p.m. I eat dinner, rice and miso changban. Right after dinner, I go back to my room and start reading my Bible 1, 2, 3 verses. I pray, I drink water once again from my red bottle because what I tell you before, water good. Now time to sleep. Sleeping during quarantine makes a man healthy, sexy and handsome. Early morning, wake up at 7:32 p.m. Walk straight to the toilet. Hello, Namaste. Hello, Namaste. My name is You are watching my daily quarantine routine. Early morning, wake up at 7:32 p.m. Walk straight to the toilet. Wake up at 7:32 p.m. Walk straight to the toilet.